Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. And gentle reminder, as always, to please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it is indeed a free way, a free and easy way to support the channel, right? And a big shout out, as always, to those who always support. We do greatly appreciate the support. So, guys, I want to talk a little bit about Leon Bailey, right? For starters, Leon Bailey, or Bayer Leverkusen rather, has rejected a huge bid for the services of Leon Bailey. And second of all, Leon Bailey recently gave an interview on ESPN FC speaking a little bit on his future, right? So the head, and by the way, this is from Football Insider, this article, right? Very credible source, right? So the headline read, the headline reads rather, Bayer Leverkusen respond to opening Aston Villa bid for Leon Bailey. Aston Villa have had a £30 million bid rejected by Bayer Leverkusen, Football Insider understands. The Villains entered talks with the German outfit earlier this week and have firmed up their interest with a formal offer. However, a Villa source has told Football Insider their opening bid has been turned down by Leverkusen. A 30 million pound at 30 million pounds rather, Bailey would be Villa's second highest ever transfer fee after the signing of Emi Buendia. As revealed by Football Insider, the Midland Giants paid an initial £33 million, rising to £38 million for the Norwich attacker. However, Villa may need to match or pay in excess of that to convince Leverkusen to sell Bailey this summer. The Jamaica international is in high demand after his fine form both domestically and on the European stage. The site revealed on Thursday, July 22nd, Arsenal were in the hunt for his capture but pulled the plug after learning of attitude issues. I would love to know what attitude issues they're referring to, right? That's one thing I've never heard of Leon Bailey, that he has attitude issues, right? Seems like a good youth to me. I mean, I don't know him, but this is the first time I'm hearing of these attitude rather issues. Those problems have not put Villa off as Dean Smith looks to bolster his attacking ranks. As detailed by Football Insider in April, the 50-year-old made it a priority to strengthen Villa's forward line this summer. Bailey scored 15 goals and contributed 11 assists in 40 appearances across all competitions last season. That is 26 goal contributions in 40 games, which is obviously not bad. That's very good, right? Most of those basically all of those goals and assists came in the Bundesliga and also the Europa League as well, right? So, that's 26 goal contributions in 40 games in those two respective leagues, which is obviously not bad at all. My opinion of this respective transfer bid, I think it's incredibly disrespectful, right? Leon Bailey, in my opinion, is one of the best wingers in the German Bundesliga. He is one of the best wingers in a top five league in Europe, right? This is a player who Bayern Munich Bayern Munich themselves wanted Bailey to be the number one option when Robin left. That's why they had put in a huge bid for the player a couple of seasons ago, right? Because he was their intended target to replace Robin, right? This is a player who Manchester United met with his reps, right? Manchester City wanted him to be the Sane replacement, right? Manchester United, um, it was heavily rumored that Leon Bailey was the B option to Jadon Sancho. So if they didn't get Jadon Sancho, Manchester United intended to have gone for the second option, which would have been Leon Bailey, right? So this is a player, even this, and that Manchester United meeting with his reps came earlier this year, you know. AC Milan and Borussia Dortmund. Leicester City as well have been heavily linked, and also Everton have been heavily linked to the player this summer, right? So, I don't know why Aston Villa think they can get a player of this quality. In my opinion, it's a little bit disrespectful, especially if Grealish leaves. If Grealish leaves, Aston Villa will be a club desperately fighting to stave off relegation, right? I mean, right now, Leon Bailey is playing for a football club that is considered one of the best in Germany. And it's a football club that frequently, well, every season basically, they're playing in Europe. If it's not the Champions League, it's the Europa League, right? So, I don't know why it would be a step down, in my opinion. And Craig Butler already on his platform stated that if Leon Bailey leaves Bayer Leverkusen, it will be a step up and not a step down. And in my opinion, Aston Villa, with the greatest of respect to them, is a step down. Right? So I don't see why this club is very ambitious in my opinion. Right? We're talking about Leon Bailey here, a player that was nominated for the Bundesliga team of the season, right, on more than one occasion, and has also this season also been nominated. Well, he actually made the Europa League team of the season this season, right? So this is a top player, right? This is a player who won Bundesliga Young Player of the Year, right? If memory serves me right, he was also the most expensive transfer coming out of the Belgian Pro League at that particular time, if memory serves me right. So, Aston Villa, very, very ambitious. I really and truly don't see this happening because even if Bayer Leverkusen, would accept a bid from Aston Villa, I really and truly don't see Leon Bailey, you know, agreeing personal terms to go to an Aston Villa. So I think even if Leverkusen accepts this bid, Leon Bailey will shoot it down. Another thing I want to talk about quickly is Leon Bailey did an interview, and the interview, it was basically alluding to his future. The topic was Leon Bailey admits he's ready for the next step, right? And the interviewer asked him, do you feel you're ready for the next step in your football career? Leon Bailey replied, 100%. I am totally ready for the next step. I have been working hard and I feel I am at an age rather, and a point in my life where I feel I am ready for the next step. Hopefully, we can make that happen soon. Leon Bailey, right there, in my opinion, is saying that he wants to get the hell up out of Bayer Leverkusen, right? Um, the interviewer went a little bit deeper. He asked, are we talking about staying in the Bundesliga or are we talking about the Premier League? What is the next move for you, right? Leon Bailey's answer was playing at the top, the highest level. I feel like I need a new challenge, right? And I agree with the player. In my opinion, Leon Bailey has been Bayer Leverkusen's most consistent player this season. I think the rest of the team, the rest of the players on the team are inconsistent players. Today, they give you really good performances. Tomorrow, they give you mediocre, average, or even worse performances, right? So, this season, in my opinion, Bailey has been the most consistent Leverkusen player. I personally think he has outgrown the football club. I think he needs to make that next step to a big club, right? One of the top clubs in Europe. I personally feel the player can cut it there. I personally feel the player has the talent to cut it at one of the biggest clubs in Europe. Right? So hopefully Leon Bailey can secure his move. My boss said when he was asked, he said, hopefully we can make that happen soon. So clearly the player is looking to leave Bayer Leverkusen. But I really and truly don't think Aston Villa will be his destination if he does leave Leverkusen this summer. So, guys, that's my 2 cents. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.